Present simple tense is used to describe facts. The sun rises in the east. Habits: I take tea every morning. Truths: water boils at 100-degree temperature. Present simple tense formula and structures: affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative plus negative sentences. Affirmative sentences formula and structure: subject plus base verb plus s, yes, for he, she, it plus object. Examples: I play football. She plays football. They study English. Negative sentences formula and structures: subject plus do does plus not plus base word plus object. Examples: I do not, don't play football. He does not, doesn't play football. They do not, don't study English. Interrogative sentences formula and structures: do, does plus subject plus base verb plus object. Examples: do you play football? Does she play football? Do they study English? Number 4, interrogative plus negative sentences formula and structures: do, does plus subject plus not plus base verb plus object. Examples: do you not play football? Does she not play football? Do they not study English?